Morning. Today we are discussing about the meaning and the determinants of the demand. Meaning and the determinants of demand, we have they often hear the phases there is a huge demand for the product of any in the market, but what does this exactly mean? What constitutes the demand for a product in the economy? So let's learn about the concept of the demand and the determinants of demand in the market. Firstly, meaning of demand. In the meaning of demand, what is demand? Demand, in the term of the economic, may be explained as the consumer willing and ability to purchase or consume a given item or a good. Furthermore, the determinants of the demand go a long way in explaining the demand for a particular goods. Now, there are the four elements of the demand for commodity. First is the desire of a commodity, money to fulfill that desire, period of time, and readiness to spend the money. Now, determinants of demand. Determinants of the demand: when the price changes, the quantity demand will change. That is a movement along the same demand curve. When the factor other than the price change, the demand curve will shift. These are the determinants of the demand curve. First is income. A rise in a person income will lead to an increase in demand. Demand curve shift to the right. A fall will lead to decrease in demand for a normal goods. Good whose demand varies inversely with income are called the inferior goods. Now, second is consumer preference. The favorable changes leads to an increase in the demand. Unfavorable changes lead to a decrease. Now, the price of the related good. Price of the related goods is a substitute and in a complementary good. Firstly, we discuss the substitute good. In the substitute good, those that can be used to replace each other. Price of the substitute and the demand for the other good are directly related. For example, if the price of the coffee rises, then the demand for tea should increase. In the complementary goods are those goods that can be used together. Price of the complement and the demand for the other good are inversely related. For example, if the price of ice cream rises, then demand for ice cream topping will increase. Okay. Now, next point is the acceptation of the future. Acceptation of the future in the, for example, future price. In a future price, the consumer current, the demand will increase if they expect higher future prices. Their demand will decrease if they accept the lower future price. Maybe in a future income, consumer current demand will increase if they accept the higher future income. There the demand will decrease if they accept the lower future income. Now, the last one is number of buyer. The more buyer leads to increase of the demand, fewer the buyers to lead decrease. Thank you.